I knew that was going to happen. That happens to me at home when I'm with the crumpets and I'm squeezing too much. Yeah, see, normally it does just come straight out. Not as good as when it's boiling water, but yeah, next time just remember that. Boiling water for a cup measure or a spoon measure. And then just mix that through so you've got your golden syrup, your butter and your sugar melting down nicely. And you're not going to boil it too much, you're just going to melt it. So as soon as it's sort of like starting to melt, a little bubble starts to appear, take it off and we need to cool it down. Done. Get off. All right, now let me show you how to roll out. Let's move that out of the way in case you cut your bottom. Cut your bottom. Okay, so if you are making this in advance, it's good because then you've got mixture that you can roll into balls. Otherwise, your mixture is too soft, it's runny, you see. This way you roll into balls. Now another thing we always do is weigh. That way you can guarantee, if you're doing this for 10 people or 15 people, you can guarantee every one of your brandy saps is going to be the same size. So I'd suggest if we, is there a scale still around or we'll put that away? Okay, I will just measure. Would you like to weigh that for me? And then that way we can all weigh them and we know that by having a round ball, it's going to spread hopefully into some sort of order to make a nice little ball. Thank you. Have a look at that. So 10 grams, that's what? Yeah. 10 gram balls, perfect. All right, that way then we get an idea, and that would be far too close together. We'll do 4 on this tray, possibly 3, because they do spread. So don't go put them so close together. 13 grams, I'm 1 gram out. Right. Oh, so you can just leave it like so, and the oven temperature, if it's set correctly, will allow those to spread, and hopefully, because you've got that nice round ball, they're going to spread into a nice even shape. So, thank you. Do you want to have a look at weighing, measuring some? The oven temperature 180, so as soon as our biscuits come out, our temperature goes up to 180. These do need a little bit of colour. I know they're brown anyway, but you do get a little bit of colour on these ones. And these come out really soft. So this is about watching the mix. So if you've got mixture that's all aerated with lots of bubbles all over it, great. If you've got that, but in the middle it's still solid, it's not ready. So I'll show you that when I bring it out. It's almost like a lace work, like a doily. And then I'll show you to bring it out, we leave it to sit for about a minute. We try to pick it up at that stage, it all just falls apart. A minute, put it on the bench just until it gets cool enough to handle, then we roll it or wrap it or mould it or do whatever you want to do with it, okay? All right, so let's get some of these done. We have a tray there.